Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily connect your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to your iPhone 10. Now a quick note for subscribers, if you're just watching this tutorial you don't need to worry about this, but our cover version 6.1.1 has just been fixed on Tutorbox, so you must smash like on this video. Also Dolphin iOS should be fixed, and Play, all that good stuff, they should be running now. And if you're watching this video, normally to connect your AirPods to your iPhone 10, let's get started. So all you need to do is you need to open up Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and you just want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Once it's turned on, get your AirPods or AirPods Pro, open up the lid like this, and then you should see a pop-up saying not your AirPods Pro. So we'll just give it a little bit. Should show up, there you go, not your AirPods Pro, and then we're just going to tap on the connect button right here. Now it wants us to hold down the back button, so we're going to find the back button right here. We're just going to hold this bad boy down. And okay, there we go. So you just hold it down until you see connecting, then release the back button, and there we go. Our AirPods Pro or our regular AirPods have been successfully connected to our iPhone. Now it just gives you a tutorial on what to do, up to you whether or not you set up these controls or not. So yeah, once you've done this, we are good to go. So hopefully this video helped you out. Very short one. With the iPhone 10, the process to connect your AirPods or AirPods Pro is very easy. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.